a baby polar bear with a baby bottle. You think we should take care of him? I do too.
He wants to get out of the box and he's hungry.
You
Oh
wanna
my
help him out of the box?
gosh.
Chloe Bear, why don't you give me a kiss?
He talks.
And poke him in the eye. Good work. Santa Claus gave that. Pretty special.
So many presents.
Yeah.
He
Santa's
gave
nice.
all you guys a lot of presents. Surely. Bolton polar bear.
I heard that last night.
Really?
Yeah, because I was moving it.
Slightly unnerving.
I know. It kind of reminds me of Gremlins.
You get yours.
What's that?
What is that, Chloe?
Careful, don't sit on the...
There's somebody coming into the room.
You hear the pig?
What's around your neck?
Is there scissors?
Nah. Chess, what is that noise?
Well, I think we got...
Is it a pink piggy?
Oh, we're at.